What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute review, we have a tile leveling system, an anti-lippage system to review for you guys. This was a highly requested video. It's a newer system out in the market right now. If any of you guys out there who have tile related tools that you want me to review, leave that information in the comment section below and I'll definitely add it to my list of reviews. So here we go, by Marshalltown, made in the USA. This is a FASTcap system. It's basically a ratchet system, and we'll show you what that means when we install these glass panels, so we can show you how the system works. Now, these types of systems are not designed to level out your flooring. They're designed to remove any lippage when you're installing large format tiles or your porcelain planks. These types of tiles will have bows in them. So in order to alleviate and remove any sort of lippage from one tile to another, a system like this will help when installing big tiles. For you guys out there who like your spindle systems, your cap systems, I think you're gonna like this. It's the same concept, but you can install them quicker. Let me show you what I'm talking about and show you what these look like up close. And here you go. Again, by Marshalltown, made in the USA, FASTcap Ratchet system. Let's show you what these caps look like. And let's show you what the base clips look like. So again, here is your ratchet style system. Rather than having to spin your spin doctors or your rigid tile leveling systems, in order to speed up time, you press down on the cap until it reaches the material and then spin it to tighten it up. So this system will speed up time if you're used to using those spindle systems. Rather than having to spin and spin and spin until it reaches the material, you simply press this down, ratchet it down, and then simply tighten it up. So let's show you how these work. Again, we will install with these glass panels. Here we go. Super quick and easy to install, much quicker than your spin doctors or your rigid level max. The quick ratcheting down and then twist definitely saves some time rather than having to spin that spindle all the way down onto the material. I'll now let the thin set cure and set up, and then we will see how clean and easy these get knocked off and removed. Okay, here we go. Let's remove the caps. Well, there you have it, a good tile anti-lippage system by Marshalltown. This ratcheting system helps to speed up time, easy removal, twist and break. These caps have some girth, so it's easy to get your fingers around and twist down. By Marshalltown, made in the USA, a great system to help out with your large format tile installation projects. Well, that's it for this one, guys. For future tile tool videos, don't forget to tap the subscribe button down there, tap the bell notification. If you like the video, tap like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.